Bilby Landscape Painting Tutorial by Audrey Buttigieg Cardona. You'll need canvas paper or paper, Bilby template, pencil, flat and round brushes of different sizes, acrylic paints, yellow, red, ultramarine blue, magenta, white and black, water container, plate for mixing colors, cloth or paper towel to clean brushes. Use the Bilby template to transfer onto your painting surface. Scribble on the back of the template. Turn the template around and trace over the outline. The inside of the Bilby is an Australian landscape. Start by painting the sky a light blue by mixing blue into white. Start painting the sky with the light blue. While the paint is still wet, paint in a little bit of white into the sky as shown. For the ground, you need to mix in red into yellow to create orange. Add a bit of blue to dull the orange. Paint the ground by dabbing the orange color. You can also mix in some red as you go along. Next, mix some green with yellow, blue and a tiny bit of red. Time to paint the greenery. also need to mix darker green by adding a bit more blue to the green. Dab in the dark green into the lighter green to create shadows. Next, mix in a darker brown. Add a small amount of blue to the orange mixed at the start. Paint shadows on the ground with the brown, just under the shrubs. White, add a very small amount of the orange and mix together. A fine round brush to add detail to the grasses with the creamy paint. Paint the background using yellow and red mixed together to create orange hues. Use a fine round brush and black paint to outline the Bilby.